Welcome to Storytime with Sonia Panda.
Peppa and the Big Train. Today, Peppa and her friends are going on a train ride together. Hooray! They all cheer, very excited. Mr. Rabbit is the station master. He checks all the tickets. Tickets, please. Chug, chug, choo choo, toot toot. Miss Rabbit is driving the train. Here comes the big train. Cheers, Peppa. All aboard, says Mr. Rabbit. Then he waves a flag and blows his whistle. Pew, pew. The doors shut. Clunk, clunk, and the train leaves. Chugga, chugga. Here are your activity sheets, says Madam Gazelle. You have to spot a boat, a signal box, and a tunnel on the train ride. I can see some trees, gaps Peppa. Are trees on the list? Asks Emily Elephant. No, replies Peppa. I see clouds. Cheers, Suzy Sheep. Are clouds on the list? Asks Candy Cat. No, replies Suzy Sheep. I see Grandad Dog, cries Peppa. Is Grandad Dog on the list? My granddad won't be on it, laughs Danny Dog. But he is sailing a boat, says Rebecca Rabbit. And a boat is on the list, adds Zoe Zebra. Hooray! Everyone cheers. Clickety clack, clickety clack. The train rides on the track, sing the children. Suddenly the train screeches to a halt. Quack, quack, the ducks cross the track. A signal box, cries Peppa. That's on our list. Oh, sighs Emily. We still have not seen a tunnel. Just then the train goes dark. We are in a tunnel, cries Suzy Sheep. Hooray! Cheer all the friends. The tunnel is the last thing on their sheets. Last stop, cries Miss Rabbit. Everybody off. But how are we getting home? Asks Peppa. We are home, Peppa, says Madam Gazelle. The children were so busy spotting things they did not even notice that the great big train had gone in a great big circle. The end.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.